Napuno siya ng tubig. Napagod na ulit ako. It's 7:48 AM. Aakyat pa kami ng isang bundok. Okay, good. So yan. 10 minutes akyat. Let's see kung 10. Bilisan lang natin. Ang dami hindi rin mga taong nag-exercise, nag-walk.
Look at the stairs and look at the bridge, and that's my mom crossing the bridge. Marigai ko ma. Lumagto ka ah.
Not 10 minutes walk, it's 5 minutes walk to see this place, the Acropolis. Oh my gosh, mas maganda pala dito. I will zoom. Na ayaw namin akyatin yan dahil mahal. But it's beautiful. The half of it napuntahan namin kahapon, pero may barricade na hindi kami makapunta sa kabila. Good morning, Athens! So beautiful. 7:52 AM. Ilang degrees right now? Oh my gosh. The other side of Athens. Hill of the Muses, Philosophus Monument. Over there. It's really beautiful over here. The mountain, the houses, everywhere. Oh my gosh. So the other side, ganyan. So I'll go in this marble pa ang mga steps nila, oh. Everything marble dito. Ang yaman-yaman talaga ng Athens.
It's marble.
Marble in Ilocano, marble. What is in here?
Mediterranean Sea.
Oh, so this is the other side of Athens, the Mediterranean Sea. Huh? Really? Wow. Huh? Wow.
City of Athens.
Really? The whole Athens? Oh my gosh. You can just imagine. Nung una, pagdating ko, akala ko it's a simple place, ang Athens. Pero no. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So nandito ang Acropolis and the mountain we went. Lycabettus Hill. Here. Okay, zoom in. So this is the Acropolis. And that's the Lycabettus Hill. Lycabettus. Ay. Yun. Diba? Beautiful. And the surrounding city. And the Mediterranean Sea.
Nanay ko, she's trying to go up the, what do you call that, the column. Oh, you can't sit in there. Why can't you? Nah, you're too weak. And look at the view around her though. And look at the city around us. So pretty, isn't it? And look at the Mediterranean Sea. beautiful. And the sun is behind the clouds.
So yan, tapos na kami sa Paphos Hill. The best. Makita mo the whole Athens hanggang Mediterranean Sea. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you sa Toronto. Bye-bye Athens. Time to go home. Bilisan mo Puma, ang bagal ng aking anak. The Paphos Hill. The best. Time to go to the airport, pero kailangan pang umuwi para kunin ang mga bagahe. Ang taxi nila ay kulay yellow. Okay. Anthopoli. Papunta daw sa Anthopoli. Subway. Babay elevator na maliit. Ayan, pipila kami dito sa kalsada going to the airline. Ito nag-foggy.